6 foods to naturally cleanse your liver. On a daily basis, we all eat a lot of processed foods. Then there's the issue of pollution. On a daily basis, we consume a large amount of preservatives and additives. All of this necessitates giving our bodies a boost now and again to ensure that they continue to function properly and remain healthy. One of the most crucial functions of our liver is to eliminate poisons from our bodies. Your body won't be able to absorb nutrients from food if you don't have a liver. To eliminate toxins from your body and detox your liver, include these 6 liver-friendly foods in your normal diet. Garlic. Garlic has a plethora of health benefits for your liver. It contains selenium, a mineral that aids in antioxidant activity and is beneficial to liver detoxification. Garlic contains vitamin B6, which acts as an anti-inflammatory in the liver. Garlic contains an amino acid called arginine, which helps to relax blood arteries. This aids in the reduction of blood pressure in the liver. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is beneficial to your liver because it includes high levels of vitamin C and glutathione. Glutathione is also produced spontaneously by the liver. Glutathione is required for a variety of functions in our bodies. This involves the production of necessary proteins and molecules, tissue growth and repair, and the development of a stronger immune system. Green leafy vegetables. Because they neutralize toxins, metals, and pesticides from the environment and your foods, leafy green vegetables can help protect your liver. More spinach, chicory, and arugula should be consumed because they can aid in bile flow and elimination of waste materials. Beets should also be consumed since they aid in the cleansing and purification of the blood. This aids in the improvement of liver function and the generation of nutrients in the body. Cruciferous vegetables such as Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and broccoli should also be consumed. They benefit the liver by assisting in the generation of enzymes that aid in the removal of toxins. Avocados. Avocado is a superfood that is well known. You'll have even more reasons to consume it once you discover it's also a fantastic meal for your liver. Glutathione, vitamin C, and vitamin E are all found in avocados. These nutrients act as antioxidants, assisting in the neutralization of dangerous free radicals as well as the protection of liver cells from injury. Because vitamin E and K in this fruit are anti-inflammatory, they also aid to protect your liver from dangerous inflammation. They include good fats, which aid in lowering cholesterol levels. Walnuts. Walnuts are high in the amino acid argentine, thus you should eat them more often. It aids in the ammonia detoxification process in the liver. Walnuts also have a lot of omega-3 fatty acids and glutathione in them. They aid in the cleansing of the liver. Antioxidants are abundant in them, which aid in the neutralization of damaging free radicals. They also include beneficial unsaturated fats that benefit in 2 ways: defending against the formation of fat in the liver. Strong cell membranes develop surrounding the liver cells. Turmeric. Curcumin is the principal active component in turmeric. It is well known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This chemical also aids in bile duct protection. This promotes bile flow and hence acts as a liver cleanser. It also aids in the rejuvenation of your liver cells by preventing the conversion of alcohol and toxins into substances that could harm your liver. When you sprinkle turmeric on your food, it adds a subtle flavor while also providing numerous health advantages. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.